In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage ChatGPT for HR tasks, making your processes more efficient and streamlined. First, let's get started by navigating to ChatGPT. Open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which should only take a few moments. After logging in, start a new chat to ensure you have a clean workspace. This will help keep your interactions organized and focused. Now, let's delve into creating job descriptions. Suppose you need a job description for a junior marketing assistant. Type your request into ChatGPT, specifying that the description should include responsibilities, required skills, and preferred qualifications. Emphasizing clarity and readability will help you attract the right candidates. Once ChatGPT provides the draft, review it to ensure it aligns with your company's voice and values. After setting up your job descriptions, you'll want to generate interview questions. For instance, if you're hiring a sales manager, ask ChatGPT to create 10 behavioral interview questions. Focus on aspects like teamwork, problem solving, and achieving targets to get a comprehensive view of your candidate's capabilities. Tailoring your questions to suit specific roles will help in assessing the right skills and behaviors. Next, let's draft HR policies and communications. Imagine you want to compose a short email template to welcome new hires on their first day. Request ChatGPT to create a message that's warm, friendly, and professional. A welcoming tone can set the right impression and make new hires feel valued from the outset. You might want to tweak the output slightly to match your company's communication style, but let ChatGPT lay the foundation. Moving on to screening candidates faster, you'll find ChatGPT can be a real time saver. Provide it with a resume and ask it to summarize the resume into 5 key strengths and 3 potential weaknesses. Follow that up with a query about whether the candidate is a good fit for a particular role, like a data analyst. This perspective can assist you in making quicker, informed decisions during the shortlisting process. Following that, planning employee engagement activities is crucial for boosting morale and fostering teamwork, especially in remote setups. Ask ChatGPT for 5 creative employee engagement ideas that are fun, cost-effective, and encourage team bonding. Suggestions might include virtual game nights, themed challenges, or collaborative projects that can be done remotely. Finally, it's important to save or copy the results. Store the most useful prompts and their outputs in a document or spreadsheet for quick access in the future. This allows for easy customization and reuse across different roles and HR tasks, ensuring that each interaction becomes a resource for improving your HR processes. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive toolkit for managing HR tasks efficiently with ChatGPT.